Hey guys, today I'm gonna get adopted, yay! Okay, so I kind of turned this birdie down a little bit because she's kind of annoying. So, okay, her name is going to be Haley, and I think I'm gonna spell it H-A-I-L-E-Y after Dog Crazy 10 because she's named her Cotton Candy Bunny after me. So, okay, and she's a girl. So, hold on.
Now it's time to enter your pet's secret code. The secret code is found on the tag attached to your webkinz. The code must be unused or it will not work. Remember to save your tag and keep it very secret. Your code will always prove that this account, but for your security, please type the secret letters you see here.
A-D-D-D-J.
Congratulations.
Yay! Hey, okay, that sounded kind of weird, but Haley, birthday September 2nd, type of pet, brown dog, girl. Hi, I'm Haley. Thanks for adopting me. I like being mischievous, funny, and amazing singer. I think skateboarding is the best. I'm pals with a love frog. I think the taste of lemon meringue pie is really, really good. And I want a basketball. Okay. Yes, I'd like to start playing in the webkinz. Yay. I have 2 brown dogs, and that's all I want, really. Yay, here she is. Okay. Welcome Haley, and here she is. Okay, so let's open her box. Yay. Okay, here's her box. It's like brown. So I'm gonna open it. I got a bonus gift box, vortex storage unit, and a patchwork sofa. Yay, because I traded mine, so it's good. Okay, and I got another vortex storage unit. Okay. That's kind of weird. I'm just going to quickly feed her some stuff. I fed her food that she came with. And she can have a pizza, a lollipop, and a yogurt. That's good enough. Okay, so I'm just going to show you her room.